Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have a special unboxing for you. We'll be exploring the Puma Men's Softride Slide V, a revolutionary comfort slide that takes footwear comfort to another level. I recently ordered the black color variant of these slides at the price of only Rs 3,400. However, the price has dropped to Rs 2,900, making it a fantastic deal. So, if you are planning to make a purchase, remember to use the link provided in the video description. Now, let's dive into the explore why these slides are remarkable in terms of both aesthetics and comfort. Despite the video's visual quality not being top-notch, I assure you that once you try these slides on, you will feel amazing. As you can see, the slides boast a sleek black design, adding an element of sophistication to your attire and allowing you to walk with comfort and confidence. The soft and responsive Softride foam technology makes every step feel like walking on clouds. Whether you wear them after a sports session to soothe your tired feet or use them to elevate your casual street style, the Puma Men's Softride Slide V is perfect for all occasions. Not only do they offer astonishing comfort, but they're also incredibly versatile. And there you have it, folks, the Puma Men's Softride Slide V, a game changer in the world of comfort slides.